Hey guys, welcome to the last chapter, and this is the second last video of our Python Basics course. Today, I gotta share with you 15 common keywords and we probably did not use them throughout our course. So, you're supposed to learn them right now and do the required work with them because they are commonly being used. Let's dive into it. Import. The import keyword is used to include different external libraries on your code so that you can get access to them and use them in your code. Break. The break statement is used inside a loop and it basically exits the loop. If it is used within a system of nested loops, then it will quit that loop where it is inserted. Continue. The continue statement is actually used for ending the current iteration of a loop. Pass. The pass keyword is used as a placeholder for future code. It helps to avoid getting error. Del. The del keyword allows you to delete any object. It could be a variable, list, or a part of list. From. From keyword is used to add a specific function from a module. Sometimes you just need to use one function or even more, but you don't have to import the entire module. Global. The global keyword allows you to modify a global variable inside a function. If you try to modify a global variable inside a function without using the global keyword, you'll get an error. Lambda. The lambda keyword helps in creating an anonymous function, a function with no name that can take any number of arguments but only return a single expression. Is. The is keyword is used to test if two variables refer to the same object. In. The in keyword is used for checking whether a value is present in a sequence or not. It could be a list, string, range, etc. Return. The return keyword is used inside a function to return a value to the function caller. True. The true keyword is used as a boolean value. False. False is the opposite of true keyword. Class. The class keyword is used in creating a class. Def. The def keyword is placed before the user-defined function's name. It is used for defining functions. That was all for now. Thank you for watching.